Eggless Pear. It's like a moist cake but combined with a delicious fruit of your choice. Feel free to use apples as well, which ends up great. I know because last week I made it with apples and we just finished it in one day. I will share with you my version, which will be vegan and healthier. And by healthier, I mean less sugar than usual and no butter at all. I will only use vegetable oil. And many of the sugar will come from the pears, which will give you lots of fibers and good quality natural fruity flavor. I start by adding only 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of milk. I'm using plant-based milk. But you can use dairy milk or you can use water as well, which works great. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm mixing them all. Now on top I will sift the dry ingredients. I'm adding 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors. Now let's sift. Now we will mix them, but be careful, do not overmix. We don't want to overmix because we don't want gluten to develop too much, because in that case it will have a bread-like texture, which we don't like in cakes. It looks smooth, so I can stop mixing. Now I'm taking my pie dish and I will just brush some oil just to prevent sticking. Now I will pour the mixture inside the dish. Now I take this aside because I will prepare my pears. I will remove the seeds. And then I will slice them. I just broke some, but you can eat those. These are not equal, but it's okay. Now let's bring the pie dish. So I'm putting the slice on top of the batter and I'm pressing to put it inside. I'm very sorry because my camera didn't film this step where I put the pears on top of the batter, so I will show you again. I just put the slices on top. I just put them and press them to make the contact with the batter. The reason we are doing this, first of all, we want all the pear flavor go into the batter. And secondly, we want the cake part to be moist, which will come from the pear juice. Now I will bake this in 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. It has been 30 minutes, now it's baked perfectly. Look at this brownish side and the inside is very moist. You can eat it like this, but I like to add some powdered sugar and also cinnamon on top. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I will give it a mix. And now I will sift on top. It looks and it smells perfect. Oh, let's cut a slice. Look at this moist layer. I will eat this now. Very nice. If you like your desserts very sugary, you can add more sugar, but I think it's just the balance. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. And if you like these kinds of videos, please support me by subscribing to my channel. And let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you in the next video.